Good evening, investors. Penny Stock Whispers here doing stock chart video analysis of GBGM, the Global Gaming Network Incorporated. Our last trading day was Friday, November 15th. Saw a previous close of 0.0111, and we closed up last at 0.0108. That was a decrease of 2.7% on a volume of 426,479 shares. GBGM here is looking very good. I like a lot of the indicators, seeing some incredible crossovers down there on our daily charts, and lots of bullish indicators. So I want to get started on this. First off, we have seen some active news from this company. Lots of information's been given out lately. On Thursday, there was a little announcement saying that they had a marketing partnership with Spinball Enterprises, so go check this out. It's got a lot of awareness for the stock lately, and I think this is going to help push this forward into next week and into the future. Let's take a look at the chart, though. Our 14-day RSI is at 72.39. It's a good place to be. We are consolidating just a little bit. We have had this trend where we extend above that 0.8 and that 80, and then we come down, bounce off of it, climb back up again, and the process seems to be repeating itself. I'd like to see us bounce off of that 80 on Monday. That'd be a nice sign to see. Daily charts, like I said, some nice crossovers here. The 50-day moving average just crossed over the 200-day moving average, which is always a very strong bullish indicator. It allows us support down here on our moving averages, and we're also seeing some support right here where we're at this point 0.0108. This was acting as resistance, or this area was acting as resistance over the last few days, so that's always a good thing to see. We closed above that line, so that's going to be acting as our support now. Volume has been pretty good. It's been pretty consistent over the last couple weeks. It's a little bit greater than it was prior to May, and then ever since May we've seen some increased trading, especially around September. The end of September into October there was this little dull part here, but it has picked up again. We're seeing some incredibly strong trading days here, which is going to go nice with our accumulation chart down there at the bottom. Accumulation's looking really good. Parabolic SAR is underneath our candlesticks. That's a bullish indicator as well, and I like the way that the dailies are looking. Furthermore, the MACD line itself is looking similar to both of our tricks lines here. They have crossed over their signal lines, and they're trending significantly upwards. Lots of distance between the lines themselves and their indicators, their signal lines here. But short-term and long-term tricks are looking both equally strong. I like that they are above the signal line and trending upwards at 7.464 for the 15-day tricks and 2.782 for the 30-day tricks. Looking fantastic. Like the way those look. Slow stochastics looking good too. We have dipped underneath this 80 line, and we have recovered, bouncing above our signal line as well as that 80 line, holding at 85.42. Very bullish indeed. Anything above that 80 is a strong bullish region to be in, and that's always a good thing to see on charts like this. CCI looking good too. We did come down off of this peak up here, so it was around 318, and then it fell back down to a little bit lower than we're at now, and it's recovered and holding steady at 119.76. Looking good, very bullish indeed. The stochastic RSI is looking fantastic as well. We were a little bit overextended, tapped this one up here, came down, bounced off of the 14-day moving average, climbed back up, and has fallen back underneath again. Luckily, it's closed above the 14-day moving average, which is a nice sign. I like to see that a lot. I like to see this bounce off again and continue to climb. Not to worry though, the 0.8 and 0.5 in between there is a nice strong region to be in. We have lots of room to move up, and don't have to worry about it going down too much yet. It still has some potential to be moving nice and strongly here. Not to worry about that one. The Chika money flow looking good. I love how we're above this zero line, and we have been for quite some time. That's showing that this stock is healthy, and we're seeing some strong trading in it as well. 0.392 is a good place to be, and it's been holding pretty solidly for some time here. It's always a good sign. I like to see that a lot. The ADX is telling us that our uptrend is still nice and strong. The positive DI is above the negative DI, and the ADX line itself is at 46.88, which is a nice healthy line to be at. It's telling us that this chart is still relevant. The PVO is looking good. We have come down after this nice long extension up here, but I like that our lows are getting higher. That's the definition of an uptrend here, so I like to see this bounce off of the zero line. That would be a nice thing to see. This middle line, my apologies. Money flow index looking good as well, 73.59, and trending upwards just by a hair here. Looks good. We are moving upwards from where we were at in the last couple weeks, and we are above that 50 line there, showing some strength. 73.59, very bullish indeed. The GBGM chart is looking bullish across the board, especially this accumulation and distribution chart. I like this one a lot. It's been moving upwards for some time, and that's always a good thing to see. Investors are still interested in this, and they're still accumulating shares. This it bodes well for the future of GBGM. And I like what I'm seeing here. Everything looks really good. GBGM's dailies are especially looking fantastic, and with that news, the awareness that's been available on this chart is spectacular. So if you want to get some more information about GBGM, just sign up for our website, pennystockwhispers.com. It's fairly simple to get there. You just type in pennystockwhispers.com and enter your email address right here. We'll send you some more information on GBGM. And if you're on the go and you don't have time for that, just be sure you download the Penny Stock Whispers app off of your phone, and you can get all the information from us here as well. It's doing really well. Lots of ratings here and lots of downloads. So recommend you go do that. Take a look at the news. Everybody, hope you had a great weekend, and best of luck on Monday with GBGM. Thanks, guys, for watching.